I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an ESIM on your iPhone with Bell can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your iPhone model supports ESIM. Most iPhones from the iPhone XS and later have this feature. Step 2. Get your ESIM activation code. Contact Bell customer service or log into your Bell account to obtain your ESIM activation code. This code is usually a QR code. Step 3. Open Settings. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. This is where you will add your ESIM. Step 4. Add cellular plan. Tap on Cellular and then select Add Cellular Plan. Use your camera to scan the QR code you receive from Bell. Step 5. Label your plan. After scanning, you'll be prompted to label your plan like personal or work. Choose a label that makes sense for you. This helps in managing multiple plans. Remember, if you encounter an error while scanning the QR code, double-check that your camera is focused and that you're in good lighting. I hope these steps help you set up your ESIM smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.